So it's now more like 1 week since my last video about social trading. Haven't made any profit since that time. I will get to all of that in this video, and we maybe will add one more that we will copy through this experiment. So if you like passive income, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Let's get to it. And also, if you want to do what I'm doing, link below the video. Now, and also, yeah, I forgot to say, if you want to copy my trades, link below the video for that also. Now let's take a look here. Let's go over to trades first. Last few trades looks good. We have one, let's see how many trades I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 10 trades. So last 10 trades are good. Now let's go over to social trading. Let's go to the ones we are copying. So this was our champion before. Let's see, no trades today. Let's take copy trading. Let's check yesterday. We lost $300 with this one yesterday. Let's now check all time. Okay, so we are now losing money with our champion. She lost us actually 937. I'm still going to keep because she might have learned from this. This is just a small amount in all of it as we are copying many people. So then let's check this one. He lost us a lot of money one day. Let's see if he's making it back for us. So today he had made us 284. Good. Yesterday he made us 828. Very good. Now let's check all time. Now you can see we have made $1,500 in profit with this one. So there you see why you don't remove a person if you just have done bad in one day. They might learn from it. So now you can see we are in profit from this one. I will put some changes with this account. Let's put this to 55 because you see we have made 3,000 since last time. So we are changing it up to 55 because my account balance now, you don't see it because of this banner up here, but it's 55,812. So that means that I maximum can go down 812 in a day. So it's more like a security system I put on all the ones that I'm copying, so we don't lose too much money if one do bad in a day. So we confirm that. Let's do that on her also, by the way, if she starts trading again. Let's put 55. It's always good to put some securities when you're doing these type of things. Now let's check this one here. Copy statistic. We have not traded today. Yesterday we made a small profit. We probably will need to set up, but let's check all time. We have lost money in, so no, for now let's just copy the way we do. I will see later. But by the way, we will do the same with this one also. Let's put it to 55. Oh, for fun of it, let's put it to 50%. Even though he's losing us money, let's see if he can do better. Then the last person, I think actually I checked all them. Now let's see if we can find someone new to copy. I'm looking for someone with a decent win rate. 61 seems reasonable for me. So let's bring him up, or her. Today he made the profit and he have decent win rate. Yesterday, decent win rate. Good. Let's check all time. I will say this is one we can copy, so let's copy him. Let's go back first. He do 985 max trade all time. So let's copy 20% for now. 20%. Let's put this to 55,000. Mean copy and unlimited is okay. Then we confirm this, and we are now starting to copy this. So now we are actually copying 5 people. My plan is to take it up to 10, when we reach 10, I will start to remove the worst trader. If the worst trader is very good, we just keep it. But if the worst trader is not trading that much and don't make us money, we change for someone that we feel is better. So we're always then we're rotating the worst always. And if it's 2 are doing super bad, of course we remove 2 and add 2. So that is how we're going to do going forward. But for now we've reached 5. When we reach 10, we will start to do that. So once again, if you like this type of content where I'm doing this for you and you can see that we're making money, if you like that type of content, make sure you like this video, like I said, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, put it below the video, and you have the option to do what I'm doing. And if you want, you get 50% on your first deposit if you deposit using my link more than $100, so make sure you take advantage of that. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.